Here's the next Ryan Tucker and Tony Hawk. Ah! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna learn. Fucking power! Watch out, there's a car. Oh, I went the other way.
Oh, well, they can go around me.
Oh. Here, let's try this one. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, God. 3. Oh. Yeah! And now I'm going to show you my mad gnarly skills. Ready? Oh, motorcycle! Maybe you can teach us some cool tricks.
Be like gnarly.